take care of our body, how we should take bath. Now, this is the computer. I like to do on computer and draw pictures in computer and also like coding. So, this is the Marathi book. This is very important book for me because I live in Maharashtra. So, Marathi is the most language used in Maharashtra. So, now this is the Hindi book. So, today in my school also Hindi is also will be learned. I will also learn the Hindi. So, this is the English book. So, in the English book, this is very interesting book because in this I started reading, everything is new. Now, this is the English treasure book. This is very nice book. It teaches me how to be nice, how to talk properly. And now this is the science book. In the science book is also interesting. It came new. I started reading, then everything is new. Like the English book. And this is the workbook. And now this is my maths book. This is my favorite subject. And this is my work.